Want your Etsy listings to rank on page 1 and get in front of more buyers? In this video, I'll show you the exact Etsy SEO strategies you can use to boost your visibility, increase your traffic, and make more sales, step by step. Even if you're a beginner, you'll learn how to write optimized titles, choose the right keywords, and improve your shop's chances of showing up when people search. Let's jump into the top Etsy SEO tips that actually work. Part 1. Understand how Etsy SEO works. First, let's break down how Etsy SEO works. When someone searches on Etsy, the platform shows listings based on several ranking factors. Here's what Etsy's search algorithm looks at: your titles and tags, relevance, listing quality score, clicks, favorites, sales, customer and market experience, your shop's reputation, shipping prices and AMP, free shipping, translation, and language settings. The goal? Tell Etsy exactly what you're selling and match it with what buyers are searching for. That's where your keywords come in. Keyword research, the smart way. To rank on page 1, you need to use keywords that people are actively searching, but with low to medium competition. Keyword research tools for Etsy. eRank, free and AMP, paid version, great for keyword ideas and search volume. Everbee, Chrome extension for spying on your competitors. Sales Samurai, deep dive into search trends and low competition niches. Start with broad keywords like planner, but then niche down. Try undated digital planner for iPad instead of just planner. Mix high volume with long tail keywords to capture specific searches. Part 3. Optimize your titles, tags and AMP, descriptions, title tips. Put your main keyword at the front. Use natural language, not keyword stuffing. Max out the character limit, 140 characters. Example, instead of planner, use undated digital planner for iPad, good notes and AMP, notability planner PDF. Tag tips. Etsy gives you 13 tags, use them all. Add variations, singular, plural, synonyms, niche terms. No need to repeat exact words from your title description. Tips. Etsy doesn't officially use descriptions for SEO anymore, but Google does. Include your main keywords naturally in the first 1-2 sentences. Part 4. Listing quality and AMP, shop optimization. Now let's talk about Etsy's hidden ranking factor, listing quality. A good listing is one that gets clicks, favorites, sales. Make sure your listing includes high-quality images or mock-ups, a clear product title, a professional, trustworthy shop appearance, great reviews, and fast response time. Tip: listings that perform well will rise in search rankings automatically, so your SEO is not just about keywords but performance too. Part 5. Refresh, renew, and AMP, analyze. SEO isn't a one-and-done job. You need to track your results and adjust. Here's what to do. Check your stats in the Etsy Shop Manager, Stats. If a listing is getting impressions but no clicks, change the thumbnail. If you're not getting impressions, try different keywords. Consider renewing listings or updating tags every few months. Use keyword tools to analyze trends and create seasonal products based on demand. If you follow these Etsy SEO tips and stay consistent, you'll see your products climb higher in search and eventually land in page 1. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell if you want more tips on Etsy, digital products, and passive income strategies. Comment below with your Etsy shop link or your biggest SEO question. I'd love to help.